Hi, I'm Ashley from Neycher. Today I'm here to show you how to use our vaginal suppositories. Don't worry, it's super simple and I'll guide you step by step. Before we start, let's talk about why Neycher suppositories are so beneficial. They're all natural and help with dryness, odor, and support a healthy pH balance. They're clean, safe, and dissolve naturally to give you the comfort and confidence that you deserve. Here's how to use them. First, we need to wash our hands with warm water and mild soap. Clean hands are essential. Take one suppository out of the package, and here is a little tip. Open it like a banana by peeling from the top. It makes it super easy. Find the position that feels comfortable for you. You can lie on your back with your knees bent, squat down, or stand with one leg raised like on a chair or a step. Use your finger to gently insert the suppository about an inch into your vaginal canal. Don't stress about getting it perfect. Your body will naturally position it where it needs to be. After inserting, stay still for a few minutes and avoid sudden movements. This gives the suppository time to melt and begin working effectively. One last thing, Neycher vaginal suppositories are gentle and safe to use as they are free from chemicals and irritants. However, if you experience any discomfort or unusual reactions, stop using them right away. And if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any existing medical conditions, consider checking with a doctor before use. Thanks for watching. I hope this makes it super easy to use Neycher vaginal suppositories. Take care and stay fresh with Neycher.